Hey, let us know if you guys like this kind of vlog video. We're gonna give it a try.
Your thumbnail picture?
Boom.
Hey guys, we're actually on our way to the Ford dealer to pick up another project. One of my buddies that works there, he called me and he's like, hey, we got another F350 in. It has some engine issues. He's like, we don't even want to put it through the shop. Give me a price, and if I like it, take it. So I made him an offer on it. He accepted it. The truck is 2009 F350 with 130,000 miles.
That was a 10.
No, it's a 2009. So let's go there right now. Pay them cash. Go pay them, and we'll do a little walk around, show you guys how the truck is.
It's no fake cash either, like some of our friends.
Yeah.
We won't name any names.
But go pay them right now and take the truck home. I got my transport plates with me.
Maybe they'll give us a free trip permit?
Yeah, the way how my account with them set up is.
Take it, don't ever call us.
Yeah, but truck's a really nice truck. It has like a gooseneck hitch. It's already deleted. Has like a H&S tuner on it. So
it has aftermarket accessories installed. I don't know what deleted
that's
means.
the man right there that's responsible. But
Well, what if he doesn't want to be on the video?
that's true. So should I just parked over there?
Good old local Ford.
Let's go in there and see what we can make happen right now. Hopefully I didn't miss the deal and someone else bought it. That would suck, but we'll let you guys know.
No, that's not the truck. That's not the truck either. Is this the truck right here?
Yeah, this is the truck right
Yeah, 2009.
here. I love the sport one, the black grill, black headlamps. Can we go inside?
OEM?
Yeah, that's all right.
Doesn't even hold the door for me. What a guy. Didn't even hold the door for me. Ross just paid for it with the food
I
stamps.
already see it. It's right here. This one right here. Look at that. Ooh, man, she's a beauty. Look at that thing.
Is that the next one?
Just kidding. That thing is gross. It's green. I would never buy a green truck. Unless it's really cheap.
Fast forward 1 week later, well, you're gonna be driving it.
Here's the truck that we bought.
To your phone and is reminding
Right there.
you
Let's go look
that
at it.
911 assist is set to off.
Didn't we just buy one that was parked right here?
Yeah.
The what?
Batteries are dead.
Oh, great. Do you have jumper cables? Locked out.
Jump start it? Hold them.
Hopefully. As long as we don't need the semi ones. Look at that. That's good. Whoa. Easy. Whoa, easy. This guy right here.
They want to buy this thing next.
This thing next? 6.0? New giveaway on the channel?
Yeah.
These people are gonna be like, dude, we better watch these vlogs. We don't know these guys gonna go away next. First official vlog of the channel, yeah?
Jumper cable holders. Look at this thing.
Disconnected.
They're not even together.
They don't like each other no more. Make sure you hook it up right, sir.
Sir, you better watch out.
Think she'll start first crank?
We'll let it charge for a few minutes. Let's do a little walk around.
Let's do it.
I really hate this bumper. I need to get rid of this stupid bumper.
Maybe somebody will
trade me. Let me know. Chrome bumper, trade right away. But I kind of like this black little accent it has. Let's see on the interior.
Locked.
Okay.
Go open it.
Has WeatherTech floor mats. Dirty though, very dirty. You think it'll crank?
I think so. Nope. Might have to do the old swapperoo of the batteries. I mean, it's not bad, just needs a little bit of cleaning. Is there any goodies in there? Any? Look at that, it's a little dirty. I think showed you. Better wash your hands now. There's the license plate.
There's some hay. Gooseneck hitch. Look, Bridgestone tires almost like new.
I mean, it's pretty clean overall. It doesn't look like it's been
look,
abused.
Even backup camera. Has the rear step thing too.
She got some options on her.
See, like last time I looked at it, the lights were turning off. So I think that was probably automation. It doesn't matter, I get it started.
Good old Ford. Did you order the wheels for this new one already?
Maybe.
Come on, admit it, Ross. I know you're known to do that.
No new wheels here.
Hey, let us know if you guys like this kind of vlog video. We're gonna give it a try.
Your thumbnail picture?
Boom. Is it a factory remote start from Ford?
Let us know in the comments if you guys know anything about this.
Is the
Just look, all
thing
the
light
stuff is
up?
on.
Yeah. Let's see, everything lit up.
Why are the lights staying
Dang.
on?
Maybe it's on over there, turned on. Open the door and see. Turn them off. Oh, right here maybe? Look.
No.
In the back too.
Pop off the lights for now.
If the light don't turn on, take the bulb out.
That's probably what drained the battery.
Gotta figure out what's wrong with this one.
It's our truck now. We can do whatever we want to it.
Not break it, please.
Don't matter.
Good old Ross already breaking stuff.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that thing. I don't think I ever seen one in a Ford. That little thing over the...
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't see, none of mine had it.
This truck's like pretty loaded actually.
Any goodies in there?
Yeah.
Any money? The cup holders back there. Dude, this thing is nice.
Here's a cracker for you.
No. Good old Ford people over here helping us out. Sir, are you qualified to operate this machine? It says die hard. I don't think I want to die today at all.
Can you start?
One way to find out.
Everyone, step back.
Oh, so close.
Everyone give some gas.
Get on the two-step. No bueno, no bueno. She ain't gonna start.
Yes, we got 2 jumper cables and 2 jumper boxes.
Like butter. Just a beauty right here. Total unit. We out?
Yeah.
One of the lights doesn't work. Nothing on that side works. No bueno. No bueno. The rear tail light doesn't work.
Phone disconnected.
Look at that. She's alive. She's alive. Ross over there recording. I can see it. Recording me, recording him. Actually, I'm not recording. I have over here an assistant holding the phone, so it may look like I'm recording while driving, but I'm not. I can reassure you that. Look, he's right there. Seen him? See? He's just helping him. Yes, sir. See? He said yes, sir. Perfect. No worries. Everything's good. Bada boom, bada bang. See? And you guys thought it wasn't gonna start.
Alright guys, we're on our way home. Stereo doesn't work. Has 138,000 miles. Let's check the check engine light. We gotta drive diagnostics, key, engine. So it says cylinder 1, calibration, balance, and then it says cylinder 1 misfire detected. So put in the comments, let us know what you guys think this issue is. I mean, the truck drives awesome. Like, you can't tell that there's something going on with it. It doesn't smoke, anything like that. So I don't know what to really expect of it. There's Serge in the back of my truck. But I mean, it drives perfect. Shifts nice. So it's hard to say. Maybe the injector is going out. I mean, if there would be any issues with the truck, I think it would be knocking or something like that. But the blow-by isn't bad either, so it's hard to say what could be the issue with it. And it drives straight, going about 35 miles an hour. So far, it's good. There's Serge right here coming by. Awesome. I love how it drives. So we're pretty close to home. Let's get there and check it out a little more. Up to the performance. Let's give it. guys, thanks for watching this video. Let us know what you guys think of this truck and what's the issue with the lights that we're having, and what do you guys think of the cylinder one misfire. We only paid $6,000 for this truck.
Clean title.
$6,000. It books, I think, 21,000.
Yeah.
So all I've got to do is fix the issue, clean it up, and boom, we can post it up on our lot for sale. But let us know what you guys think, and share this with your friends. Let them know what they think about it also. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and go down to our Instagram at SalvageBoiz. We'll probably post little sneak peeks of what we fix on the truck. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Maybe Ross will give this one away.
No, we can't give everything away.
Just give everything away.
No, that's not how it works.